Ever wondered if your body is quietly asking you to pay attention to your prostate? Many men ignore the early signs, thinking it's just part of getting older. In this video, we'll reveal 3 silent signs most men miss. Signals your prostate needs attention. We'll connect the dots, showing how these symptoms are your body's early warnings and what you can do right now. This isn't about fear, it's about empowering you with knowledge and simple natural steps to improve your quality of life. Understanding your body is the first step to living healthier, longer. Let's dive in and discover what your body might be trying to tell you. Our first silent sign, frequent urination. It's something many men notice as they get older, but it's often brushed aside as just a minor hassle. But what if it's actually your body's way of waving a red flag? Are you planning your day around bathroom breaks? Waking up multiple times at night feeling frustrated and tired? This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a clue that something deeper might be going on with your health. As men age, the prostate often enlarges, squeezing the urethra and making it harder for your bladder to empty. This is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, and it's incredibly common. But just because it's common doesn't mean it should be ignored. Imagine your urethra as a garden hose. When the prostate grows, it's like someone stepping on that hose. Flow slows, and your bladder can't empty fully. That pressure builds up, and your body keeps sending you back to the bathroom. That leftover urine means you need to go again sooner, creating a frustrating cycle. You might feel like you just went, only to find yourself back in the bathroom minutes later. Nighttime is often the worst. Waking up 2 or more times a night, called nocturia, disrupts your sleep and drains your energy. It's not just about lost rest, it's about how it affects your entire day. Poor sleep from frequent urination can lead to fatigue, irritability, and trouble concentrating. Over time, this can impact your mood, your relationships, and even your performance at work. Many men normalize this, blaming age or stress, but it's a real signal from your body. Ignoring it doesn't make it go away, it just lets the problem grow. Start tracking how often you go, day and night. Seeing the pattern can be eye-opening. You might be surprised at just how much it's affecting your routine. Don't just accept it as getting older. Common doesn't mean normal. Your body deserves attention and you deserve to feel your best. Think about how this impacts your life. Missing parts of movies, struggling through meetings, always searching for the nearest restroom. It can make social events and travel stressful, and even simple outings become a challenge. This constant mental load is exhausting and unnecessary. It can wear you down, both physically and emotionally, over time. The key takeaway, frequent urination, especially at night, is your body's way of saying something's off. It's a message you shouldn't ignore. It's not just a nuisance, it's a physiological signal. Your body is trying to get your attention, and it's important to listen. Diet can make things worse. Caffeine and alcohol are major culprits, acting as diuretics and irritating your bladder. Even some spicy or acidic foods can trigger symptoms. Try cutting back, especially in the evening, and see if it helps. Small changes in your habits can have a big impact on your comfort and sleep. Hydration matters too. Drink fluids throughout the day, but taper off before bed. This helps your bladder rest at night and reduces those disruptive wake-ups. Recognizing this sign is about shifting your perspective. It's not just aging. It's a specific, manageable issue. The sooner you address it, the better your quality of life can be. Once you understand what's happening, you can take action. There are many options, from lifestyle changes to medical treatments, that can help you regain control. Awareness is the first step. When you know what to look for, you can make informed choices for your health. Next time you make that extra trip to the bathroom, ask, "Is my body trying to tell me something?" Don't brush it off. Take a moment to reflect on what's changed. Don't ignore the signal, address it. Talk to your doctor, share your symptoms, and get the support you need. Small changes can make a big difference. Even simple adjustments to your routine can help you feel more comfortable and confident. Take control of your health, starting with this simple observation. Prioritizing your well-being now can prevent bigger issues down the road. Your quality of life matters. You deserve to enjoy your days and nights without constant interruptions. Listen to your body's early warnings. They're there to help you, not to be ignored. Don't let frequent urination dictate your day or your night. You can reclaim your rest, your focus, and your peace of mind. You have the power to make a change. Start today by paying attention to your body's signals and taking that first step toward better health. The second silent sign, Sudden, overwhelming urgency to urinate can strike at any time, often without warning. It's not just a minor inconvenience, it can feel like your body is sending out an emergency alert, demanding your immediate attention. This isn't a gentle reminder, it's a 5-alarm fire, even if you just went minutes ago. The sensation can be so intense that it interrupts whatever you're doing, making it impossible to focus on anything else until you find relief. The anxiety of not finding a bathroom in time can limit your activities and create a stressful feedback loop. You might start planning your day around restroom locations or even avoid outings altogether, just to prevent a potential accident. What's happening inside your body? An enlarged prostate puts pressure on your bladder, forcing it to work harder than it should. Over time, this extra effort makes the bladder muscle irritable and prone to sudden, uncontrollable contractions. That's why you might feel desperate to go, but only a little comes out. The bladder sends out a powerful urge, but the flow is weak or incomplete, leaving you frustrated and still uncomfortable. It's not about willpower, it's a physiological response. No matter how much you try to hold it, your body's signals can override your intentions. This urgency can lead to urge incontinence, causing embarrassment and social withdrawal. The fear of an accident can make you self-conscious, affecting your confidence and relationships. You're not alone. This is a common symptom of prostate issues. One solution is bladder training, a technique that helps retrain your bladder to hold urine longer and reduce those sudden urges. When the urge hits, pause, breathe deeply, and try to delay urination by a minute or two. Over time, gradually increase the interval between bathroom visits. This helps your bladder regain some control and reduces the frequency of urgent episodes. Timed voiding, going on a schedule, not just when you feel the urge, can also help. Set regular intervals for bathroom breaks and stick to them. Watch for dietary triggers. Caffeine, alcohol, spicy or acidic foods, and artificial sweeteners can all make urgency worse. Even carbonated drinks or citrus fruits might be culprits for some people. Keep a food and symptom diary to spot your personal triggers. Tracking what you eat and drink and when symptoms occur can reveal patterns you might otherwise miss. Imagine leaving home only to be hit by a sudden urge that stops you in your tracks. The unpredictability can make even simple errands feel daunting. Bladder training and relaxation techniques can help you regain control in these moments. Practicing these skills at home prepares you for real-life situations. Don't let fear of accidents control your life. With the right strategies, you can reclaim your confidence and independence. Recognize urgency for what it is, a sign your bladder is overworked, likely due to your prostate. Understanding this connection is the first step toward effective management. These symptoms are deeply connected. Frequent urination and urgency often go hand in hand, making daily life more challenging than it needs to be. Understanding the cause moves you from anxiety to action. The more you know, the more empowered you become to make positive changes. Start with bladder training, manage your fluids wisely, and identify your triggers. Small adjustments can make a big difference in your comfort and confidence. You have more control than you think. Taking charge of your bladder health is possible, and it starts with awareness and action. Take practical steps to calm your system. Mindfulness, meditation, and gentle exercise can all help reduce stress and support bladder health. Don't let this silent sign go unchecked. Talk to your doctor about your symptoms and explore treatment options tailored to your needs. Your quality of life is worth it. With the right support and strategies, you can get back to enjoying the moments that matter most. The third silent sign of prostate trouble is a weak or interrupted urinary stream. This is something many men notice but often brush off as just a part of getting older. But it's more than just an inconvenience, it's your body's way of telling you something important is happening. You might notice your stream is weaker than it used to be, takes longer to get started, or even stops and starts unexpectedly. Sometimes you may feel like you're waiting for ages just to get things going, or you have to stand there much longer than before. Think of your urinary stream like a garden hose. When the hose is kinked, the water can't flow freely. In the same way, an enlarged prostate can press against the urethra, creating a kink that reduces the flow of urine. This change can be subtle at first, almost unnoticeable. But over time it becomes clear. You're standing at the urinal longer, or you find yourself straining to start or finish. It can be frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or in a public restroom. Intermittency, when your stream starts and stops, is a sign your bladder is struggling against resistance. It's like your bladder is trying to push past a blockage, and sometimes it just can't keep up. Terminal dribbling or leaking after you think you're done means your bladder isn't emptying fully. You might notice a few drops in your underwear or feel like you need to go again soon after finishing. This is a direct sign of obstruction, not just a reaction to it. The prostate is physically blocking the flow and your bladder is working overtime to compensate. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to complications, like infections from leftover urine or even kidney issues in severe cases. The longer urine sits in the bladder, the higher the risk for bacteria to grow and cause problems. Many men adapt without realizing it, choosing stalls for privacy, straining, or simply accepting this as the new normal. You might avoid social situations or travel because you're worried about finding a bathroom in time. Take a moment to compare how things used to be. Was your stream stronger, faster, or easier years ago? These changes are worth noticing. If your stream was stronger years ago, this isn't just aging. It's a specific change that deserves your attention. Aging alone doesn't usually cause such a dramatic shift. Relaxing your pelvic muscles when urinating can help. Take a few deep breaths and try not to rush. Sometimes, just giving yourself a little more time can make a difference. Straining only makes it worse. It can actually increase the pressure on your bladder and make the problem more uncomfortable. Try double voiding. After you finish, wait a moment and try again. This simple technique can help you empty your bladder more completely and reduce the risk of dribbling. You might find you feel more comfortable and less anxious about needing to go again soon after. Don't be embarrassed. This is a medical symptom, not a personal failing. Many men experience these changes and your doctor is there to help, not judge. Monitoring your stream is a simple way to track your prostate health. You can jot down notes or use a health app to keep track of changes over time. When you see your doctor, describing these changes helps them help you. The more details you can provide, the better they can tailor your care. Pay attention. Ask yourself, is your stream strong and steady, or has it changed? Noticing these details can make a real difference in your health. Do you have to push or bear down to get things started? That's another sign your bladder is working harder than it should. Do you feel empty when you're done, or is there a lingering sensation that you still need to go? These are important clues. These questions provide valuable information for your doctor and can help catch problems early before they become serious. This isn't paranoia, it's being in tune with your body. Listening to these signals is a sign of self-care and responsibility. Heed the warning signs before they become bigger problems. Early attention can make treatment simpler and more effective. Don't ignore a weak stream. It's your body's direct message that something needs attention. Acting now can save you discomfort and worry later. Early action can prevent complications and help you maintain your quality of life. Your health is worth it. Stay alert to these changes and remember, taking care of your urinary health is an important part of taking care of yourself. We've covered 3 key signs: frequent urination, sudden urgency, and a weak stream. These aren't just quirks of aging, they're signals your prostate needs attention. If you notice any of these, don't ignore them. Take action now. Start a conversation with your doctor and explore natural ways to support your prostate health. Discuss behavioral changes like fluid management, dietary triggers, and bladder training. Your health is your greatest asset. Choose awareness over avoidance. Take back control of your well-being today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more empowering health content.